In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create easting and northing coordinates in AutoCAD. We'll use the quickest built-in method to read precise coordinates for any point in your drawing. Perfect for checking survey data, staking out points, or documenting exact locations. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. In most engineering and surveying contexts, easting corresponds to the X value and northing corresponds to the Y value. Elevation, if applicable, is the Z value. These values are reported relative to your current coordinate system in AutoCAD. So make sure your project is using the intended base and units. If the drawing was set up correctly from the start, the numbers you see will match your project's coordinate requirements. Let's get right to it. In the command line, type ID and press Enter. This is AutoCAD's Identify command, and it's the fastest way to report exact coordinates without adding anything to your drawing. After starting the command, you'll be prompted to specify a point. Click any point in your drawing. You can click a line endpoint, a center, an intersection, or any spot in open space. If object snaps are active, your pick will lock onto precise geometry, helping you get accurate readings. As soon as you click, look down at the command line. AutoCAD immediately displays the coordinates of the point you selected. You'll see X, Y, and Z listed. Read the X value as your easting, the Y value as your northing, and the Z value as your elevation. If you are working in a purely 2D file, Z will likely be 0. If you are in a 3D or survey-based drawing, the Z value may carry important elevation information. If the numbers look unexpectedly large or small, that usually points to a difference in units or an unexpected drawing origin. Keep in mind that the ID command reports coordinates in the current coordinate system. If a user coordinate system is active or rotated, X and Y will reflect that orientation. To maintain consistency across your team, confirm that everyone is working from the same baseline settings established for the project. You can repeat this process for as many points as you need. Each time, type ID, press Enter. Click the point and read the values from the command line. It's a simple loop and extremely reliable for quick spot checks or for documenting key locations. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.